wanted to do a quick updated video after my last one talking about Tor and that great new add-on called Ubikron, a little extension for Chrome. When I tried it in the Brave browser, it wasn't working quite right. It would take the snapshots, but it wouldn't do the automated capturing of websites that you'd visited. So I just wanted to share with you that I'd spoken with the developers and they have turned this around in super fast time and it is all now working. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration showing you it working. So let's just drop down that. So this is the Brave browser that I'm in at the moment, privacy-based browser. You're going to go and get the additional tool, which is Ubikron. So you can go to the website ubikron.com and you can just click install client now. You will be asked to log in to the website to do that at the moment. That's going to change once it's fully launched. You should just be able to go and it'll just allow you to download it. It will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Currently, if you go, you're not going to have any joy until the full launch has happened. So if I type in Ubikron, all we get is a no search. But if you go via the website, and you will see, if I just go back one, it will, when you click on it, you get the password and it will say, if you haven't got a password, contact us via these different methods. Just let them have your email and they will send you details of how to access it so you can have a try. So you will get sent to this address on the web store and you can just download it. I've obviously downloaded it already, so you would just go up here and say install for Brave. That's it, you're up and running. So in your top address bar here, you've got the Ubikron icon. Click to open panel and here we are. I've already created a fresh investigation here. So I've just clicked up here, started a new one. I've called this one Ubikron with Brave browser. Nothing at all in the history, no clippings, no AI insights or anything. And this is just the standard information that we have. So I normally start off just deleting that as a blank page and then I can create as I would want it to. So let's try this. So we'll just do a standard. So we're just on the normal Brave browser. Let's go to the BBC and see where that takes us. So we're just on here, but at the moment I've not started the extension. So we just need to go to the top right, click start extension, and it will show as red. And now when we go to the BBC, you can see it's on red. I'll just refresh the page to show that we're there. We'll take a snip. Okay, so we'll call that snip BBC. We will, let's just go to the hottest day of the year, and that should have automatically saved. So if we just go back now to Ubikron, here we go, history. So we've got the home page that we went to and then the hottest day page, as you can see. Brilliant. So it's captured everything, all automatic. If we go to the clippings, we should have one clip, which we have. Here we go, snip BBC, brilliant. Let's try it now on the dark web. So again, top right, we're going to open up a new tab with Tor. It's now connecting to Tor. It is on the Tor network, magic. What we now need to do is start the the Ubikron extension, and we are off again. Because we are still in this investigation, it's going to show us what we've already got here. Okay, but we've got it and we're there. So let's just open up a fresh tab. If we were to type in any normal domain, it's going to come up, but it's going to go over the Tor network. So we just need to find a Tor address, which often ends in .onion. So I've got one here for a search engine. I'm just going to put that in. And there we go. Ahmia. And all working absolutely fine. Brilliant. Let's try a different one. And I've not snipped any of this at the moment. This should be doing this automatically and capturing these. Now this is another one called Haystack. It's another dark web search engine that you might find interesting. You can get some good results here. And then we've got a final site we're going to go to, which is like a links page where there's lots of different websites that you can go to based on this. Called OnionLinks. Brilliant. So we've got some more wikis and other link pages. Previously there's sites for drugs, commercial services, financial, open source software. You get the gist of it. Let's go and have a quick look back at Ubikron. Hey presto, it's all in there. It's working. And it's automatically capturing everything as you go. Now we've not snipped anything. We should just have that one original snip. And we've just got everything there. It's absolutely magic. And if we click on, for example, the OnionLinks, if we go over to the right bar, you will see it's already grabbed all this information. It's grabbed what it thinks is names out of the page. It will identify any websites. So it's identified an onion address, even though it's not a top level domain per se. Any page text in there automatically grabbed, and it does that, and that makes everything searchable. There's all the other bits that you can do with Ubikron, but you don't even have to use the Tor browser. If you're happy using the Brave browser to do your accessing on Tor for your open source research, this is a really great method of doing it. So just a real quick shout out saying thanks to the Ubikron team for getting this done so quickly. This is a game changer. So enjoy, have a go, play with it. Right, until next time.